Welcome back to Check It Out with Rich. Everybody loves stickers, and we put our favorite ones up here. Now, for the rallies we go to, we put on the back of the rig. But our favorite ones we put up here, and I've already had to replace a couple of them because of them wearing either from the slide going in a rot or just from the weather. So we found a better alternative, and that is a venture board by the Rivet Supply Company. This is given to us by Melissa, and her husband owned the company. They started a few years back, and they have a pretty neat product. So let's see what's in the box, and we'll get it mounted. Okay, this is the adventure board. It is a piece of plastic. I'm not sure what style plastic it is, but it is about an 1/8 inch thick. And they do have different designs, but this is the one we chose.
They do have the...
We'll pick that up in a minute.
They do have the United States maps for people who like to keep their sticker maps.
Yeah, and that might be next because we have one here. And so far it's been holding up now for 3 years, 4 years. So we'll see.
And not only the fact that it's holding up, if Alliance does come out with the floor plan I want.
She'll need a new map.
Yeah, and then this allows you to take that with you.
Yes, yeah.
You don't lose all your stickers or your travels. You can take this with you to your new rig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what's on the back. Okay. Well, Becky picks that up. Okay, they do have a little template here. So you can put it on and put your Velcro on. And it does have a little thank you for your purchase, the Rivet Supply Company. You want to read what that says, Beck?
Sure. Dear Explorer, as you open this box, you're embarking on a journey, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. Thank you for choosing us to join your camping and adventuring endeavors. Enjoy the memories you'll create with our products. Happy travels. The Rivet Supply Team.
Okay. All right, and you want to go through what's in here?
Yes. So what's in here, let's open it up. It gives you step-by-step instructions. So it says, map your territory. You're going to hold the cardboard template up to your door or wherever you're going to stick it. Find the place you want it. And then you're going to... There's an alcohol pad in there. A nice Rivet Supply Company sticker. And then your 3M command hooks. I think they're 3M. Yes. So those are the command hooks that you're going to hold it up with. So once you figure out where you're going to put it, it says use a small piece of blue painter's tape to mark the bottom center of the template and one side.
Okay, so where are we putting it?
I want to put it right here on the door.
Yeah, for us, this is the best location. There's really no good place inside. But we figured, too, if we had it here and we had the door open, everybody can see our stickers. Inside, only us and a few people we invite in will see the stickers. So, yeah, so we're going to mount it here. We just don't know placement. We'll figure that out in a minute. Okay, so we got to decide where we want it. So we're going to go this way with it. So we do want it down low. We want it up higher.
Bring it down a little bit.
I'd keep it away from here a little bit.
Yeah. Well, I'm just doing the height.
You like that?
Yeah, I think right there.
Okay, so now we got to eye it up, and I'm just going to use this as my gauge. And give me a piece of painter's tape. Just a little piece for now.
Well, this is going to be your guide because that's not going to stay there.
Okay, we'll put that one there. And we're going to put one up here. Give me one more little one. And then this one we're going to put here. All right, so now we need longer ones.
Yes, because it says...
So we're going to take this one, hold that.
Mark the bottom center of the template and one side.
So we're going to put this here. And I'm lining that up with the edge of the template.
And then one on the bottom.
And then one on the bottom. And that's it. So now we can go ahead and take this off. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't want to do that.
Nope. Rich is not following directions.
I caught myself.
So you're going to take the alcohol pads and you're going to wipe off where we're going to put the command strips.
Just to let you know, I did already wipe this door down with denatured alcohol. So this is just a little extra precautionary. I always carry denatured alcohol with me. You never know when you're going to need it. Okay, we're going to let that dry for a minute. All right, next step.
Step 2, make it stick. This is the step that matters most. So if your door has any texture or grain, which these doors unfortunately do, you need to press each strip firmly and drag your thumb across it so it seats down into the surface. A light press will not be enough on a textured door. Hold firm pressure on each strip for at least 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do that one. And then 60 seconds.
Or you have to...
It said hold
Yeah,
firm
well,
pressure.
it also says press each strip firmly and drag your thumb across it.
60 seconds.
That's
okay.
Right. Yep. Okay, so they never tell you in there to take this off. I mean, I guess...
Yeah. Okay, and that's about 60 seconds. Okay, what's next?
Okay, lock it in. Press the second half of each command strip onto the ones now affixed to your door.
Okay.
These are what the board will connect to.
Okay, and the last one is locked in. What's next?
Okay. Bringing the board home. So it says, using your painter's tape marks as your guide, bring the original venture board up to the door and line up the bottom, center, and side.
Okay,
so it doesn't say to take this off, but I'm assuming this
Yes.
is the step where you need to take that off.
Take that off. You want to put that over there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to peel these off.
Yeah, peel those off.
Okay, we'll get the last backing off. It'd be nice if I had fingernails, but that's it.
Okay.
All right, what's next?
Okay, so we did clean the back of it with some Windex to get all the dust off. Okay, using your painter's tape marks as your guide, bring the original adventure board up to the door and line up the bottom, center, and side. Once it looks right, press the board firmly against the command strips, focusing your pressure directly on each strip location. Hold for at least 60 seconds total.
Okay, and I do want to say you have two options. You can have either side out, but this side has Rivet Supply Company and their URL. So we're going to go with that. And then try to get this lined up.
Okay, and then once you get this on, it says do not move or reposition the board for a minimum of 48 hours. The bond gets significantly stronger the longer those strips sit undisturbed.
We looking good here on that side?
Let me see.
I need my glasses. Oh, just look at the tape.
Yes.
Looks good?
Yes.
Okay, 60 seconds. We need one more hand.
To get that center.
Lexi! Lex, you gonna help? We need one more hand. Okay, 60 seconds. Then we'll get to center. All right, so that's about 60 seconds, and it seems like it's all there pretty good. So what's the next step?
Step 5, admire your work.
Beautiful.
Step back and admire your beautifully installed original adventure board. Now it's time to add a couple of stickers to make it uniquely yours.
Okay, stickers?
We have our Rivet Supply Company sticker.
Okay.
We have, of course, our Checking It Out with Rich and Becky. And then we have our sticker from our Canadian allies,
And who was that?
Damien and Tammy McCarthy.
Yep.
They brought us syrup in a special bottle. And then we have our Alliance stickers.
Okay, where we put them?
Well, I think we don't want all of these Alliance stickers.
No.
Do we want the flat one or this one?
Whichever one you want.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, well, let's do these first.
Okay.
Okay, so where are you putting that one? This is going to take a while.
I think up in here it'll fit.
Okay. Okay, and of course I put mine dead center. Well, hopefully it's dead center. It looks like it. So yeah, so we got a couple on there. For the ones that are on here, if you want to send me a new one, I will gladly put it on here. You know who you are. Okay, let's take his tape off. And I think it's pretty neat. It'll add a little touch to the door too, make it stand out some. And
I like it.
yeah, we're going to be very selective. We're not just putting any sticker on here. The any stickers will go over here now. So yeah, these will be ones that we care more about, I guess. Okay, I will put links in the description. I didn't get a discount code or anything, but I will put the links in the description for this. And we definitely want to thank Melissa from the Rivet Supply Company for giving this to us. And they also gave us one for a rally. That's how this all started. And so we will have a prize at the rally in our raffle to benefit Family Cares. And make sure you put some tickets in that bag. Anything to add?
Nope.
All right. So once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time.
Bye.
So we found a better alternative. Are we going to put an Alliance sticker on it?
Do we have one?
Okay.
Relax. Tell Daddy let you in.
Come on. It's crooked.
Is it?
Yeah. We're there. Look here.
Ah, you can't really tell.
Nah.